Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your previous account on the Brawl Stars game. So let's get started right away. Now first of all, open up the Brawl Stars game, and if you open it up for the first time, you will be asked to complete the basic tutorial levels. After you complete the levels, you will gain access to this main menu, from which, if you wish to recover your previous game, then tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then tap on Settings. You will now see the Supercell ID option. Go ahead and click on this, and you will be allowed to log in using your Supercell ID. Just tap through the next buttons or tap on Skip at the top right corner and you will see the login button. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on Continue, and you will be asked to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in your email address that you used within your previous save game and then tap on the Continue button. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that you have received within your inbox. Just check your inbox and enter this verification code in the next screen, and when you proceed forward, you will be logged into your previous game account, and all of your previous progress and rewards will also be reverted back. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to recover your old account on Brawl Stars. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.